Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video, which I'm so excited for, and it is testing PLOUISE makeup. I am so beyond excited. I have wanted PLOUISE makeup for so long. For Christmas, I got this massive box of makeup. Well, actually it came in 3 of these boxes and I've managed to combine it into 1 box to store it in. So I'm going to give you a quick haul first, and then we'll get into a tutorial, which I'm really nervous to try, to be honest, because PLOUISE is just an absolute queen, and her cut creases and eye makeup is literal art. It is stunning. So I'm probably really not going to do it justice. However, I really want to try it, so we can go on this journey together. All of this makeup that I got should have been about £580, something like that, but in the Black Friday sale I got this for £180. £180, like, there's so much. So the first thing I've got is the Precise With My Destiny brush set, and look at this when you open it, right? Look, she has like a little glowy thing. It's so cute, and then you get this really big mirror in it. And all of these brushes, there is so many. I don't know if you can see how many there are, but they are stunning. Like, I cannot wait to use these. I have needed some new brushes for so long, and brushes are just everything. Like, I love them so much. So I really wanted to get this full set, and I'm so beyond happy with it. Like, look how precise the little brushes are, but then how fluffy they are as well. I'm obsessed. I cannot wait to use these, so I'll be using these today. Then I got some lashes, and they had a deal on, which was 3 for 2, I think, or it was like 3 for £10 or something. So I've got these 3. So this is in the style Perfectly Nude. Aren't they lovely? They are massive. These are in the style Sassy Season. Beautiful. And these are in the style Determined Diva, which are beautiful as well, and I will use one of these today. I'm not sure which one, to be honest. I ordered just a white base paint because this is just going to be so good for like actually cutting the crease and everything. So I got one of these, and I love this packaging. Then I got the, I think it was like the spring limited edition basics. It came with Hint of Mint, a pink one which is called Inject, a blue one which is called Touch of Frost, and then a lilac one which is called Vivid Violet. So I got these in a little set of 4. I can't remember the name of the bundle, but it came with loads of more paints, and there is literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you got 10 paints in the packet. In the bundle. Look at them all. So I will show you which ones I got. Okay, so this is in the shade Switch It Up, which is like a really nice nude colour. Then I have Love You More, which is like a bit more of an orangey nude. Then we've got Ocean Club, which is a beautiful green. I've got a yellow, which is called Golden Treasure. I can't wait to use these, I'm so excited. It's kind of like a grey called Unleash Me. Then I've got a lovely brown, which is called Barbie Boo. Cute. Got another bright green, which is called Exotic Apple. Another like kind of minty green, which is called Must Be the Money. We've got another orangey shade called Mellow Mustard, which I think she uses in a lot of her tutorials. And then a lovely red, which is called Paprika Punch. So very excited. And then the last thing I got, she is absolutely stunning. The palette is called Wedding Wish XL, and holy shit, wait till you see this. Just wait until you see this. Are you seeing this? I've just put the spot lamp on so you can see how beautiful these shades are. Like, I'm just absolutely shook. I love it so much, and it has such a really lovely quote on it because it's the wedding palette. It says here, today a bride, tomorrow a wife, the biggest adventure they'll take on in life, which is so fucking cute. So I am beyond excited to get into this makeup, so let's get started. So the look that I'm going to be trying to create emphasis on trying. So this is the look that I'm going to try and create. This looks so hard. I'm going to try my best. It's probably not going to be like this, but hopefully it will still look semi-okay. I've just realised that I haven't got these colours in the paint, so I'm going to have to use like... Actually, I might be okay. I just don't think I have all of the exact colours that she's used in this tutorial, but I think most of them I'll be able to get like a similar colour match to. So I've brought you in a little bit closer and I'm going to start with my brows as she does in her tutorials. And as always, I'm using the By Caitlin Collection brow gel, and I'm literally just going to put this on my brows to lay them flat. Base of my eyeshadow, PLOUISE uses the bases that she has for the base of the eyeshadow, but I don't have a colour that's going to match my skin very well, so I am just going to use my concealer, which is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I'm just using her brush in the Make E6. I'm going to go in with the brush E10, which is this little precise brush, and I'm going to go in with the shade Bound to You, which is kind of like a purpley shade. I'm next just going in with a little bit of Tie the Knot, just to deepen this up a little bit. I'm just going in with the shade Treasure You on the same brush on more of like the outside of this, just to blend this into kind of like a reddy colour. I'm just going in with a bit of Marry Me just to deepen this up a little bit. I'm happy with how it's going so far. Cutting this from here up to here. We are going to go in with another paint to carve out this crease. Okay, so she starts off with like a really light purple, so I'm going to start off with the white on this bit, then go into the dark purple, and then go into the pink. So I'm scared, but we've got this. Okay, let's just believe in ourselves and we can make it work. Going in with the brush E5, which is this little one, and I'm going to go in with the white PLOUISE base first. I'm really scared, but I'm thoroughly enjoying myself. They were not lying when they said that these were easy to blend. Like, look how that's blended. So the line isn't as straight as I would like it. However, I'm still impressed, and I'm still gonna keep going, and I'm loving the paints. Like, they're so easy to blend. I'm gonna go in with Chose You for the pink side of things, which you don't have to put eyeshadow on it to set them apparently, but she went on top with eyeshadow in the tutorial, so I am also gonna do that. Okay, so this wasn't from her palette, but I'm just going to go in with the NYX Ultimate palette to go in with a lilac shade. Going in with a white shade from the palette called Yours Truly. Okay, and now the next step is to cut this part of it. So I'm literally just going to do the same and cut my crease again. Okay, the next bit is to create like a kind of blue sort of wing sort of shape here. And I'm just going in with my NYX Ultimate palette. confession, I did go in with a bit of black to sharpen that up, but now we're going to cut underneath this in a little like circle line just to make this bit look really sharp as well. I'm just going to put the blues underneath my eyes because that is what she has done. Okay, the blues are underneath my eye, and it looks like she also put the pink paint in the waterline, which I am a bit nervous to do, but I'm going to go in with the brush E2 and with a tiny little bit of the paint on the end of the brush. I'm going to try it. I have no idea if this is going to work or if this is going to hurt, but let's just see. I'm going to go in with the really thin brush, which is E1, to create this little thing that's going on here, and I'm using the pink paint again. Do. It's not the worst. I don't really know. It's okay. First, what we go in with is the blue paint, and we're just gonna cut out this bit, and then in the middle is a white / lilac. I'm gonna do the white because my lilac is here, and then otherwise that's gonna blend too much. So I'm gonna do the blue on the outer corners and then the white in the middle. To do more cutting of the crease. Yay! So, I really don't like this part, but we're cutting this again. I'm going to go with Paprika Punch for the next bit, and we're basically just going to fill all of this in. Okay, so what we need to do is do like a straight eyeliner up to this point here, and then fill all of this in with this paint. So that's what I'm going to try and do now, and I'm using the brush E2 to do this. Now P.LOUISE uses like a peach shade to add some detailing, but I'm going to go in with the yellow because I don't have a shade as bright as the peach that she used. Not sure I like this. It looks nothing like the picture. It actually looks nothing like the picture. I'm gonna stick on the lashes. I'm just waiting for this to dry, and then I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, come back to you after I've done all that and after I've done my face, and we can have our final thoughts because I'm not feeling it right now. I'm not feeling it. I'm back. It's me. I've done the rest of my makeup, and as you can see, this lighting is horrendous, so I'm going to insert some clips of where you can actually probably see my makeup. But yeah, this is the finished look. Overall, I absolutely am in love with P.LOUISE makeup. I'm not too keen on this look though. I'm not really sure. Let me know in the comments down below whether you actually like it or not. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I am really looking forward to recreating more looks with P.LOUISE. Let me know if you would like that down below. And yeah, hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye!